When was the last time you had a hearing test? If you're like most people, it's been years, but your hearing changes over time and early detection is key.
At Hearing and Audiology, we've been helping West Australians hear better since 1985. Our internationally accredited specialists provide comprehensive hearing tests for kids, adults, and workers exposed to loud environments.
We offer risk-free trials of cutting-edge hearing technology and free services for eligible pensioners and veterans. From custom hearing aids and tinnitus treatment to wax removal and workplace hearing assessments, we provide personalised solutions tailored to your needs.
Don't wait for hearing loss to become a problem. Visit hearingandaudiology.com.au to book your test today.